Hi, this is another video on my channel, and it's still about the Argus 75 camera. And there's a website you can go to through the Ann Arbor District Library. And this is the address. And there's several, as you can see, there's a couple, you might not be able to see it clearly, but there's two different instruction manuals for the Argus 75. This is the US one, and this is the one published in Australia. And I personally think the Australian version is the best. And here's the how you get there, the website address, and then it's called A World of Pleasure at Your Fingertips, and it's the Australian manual version. And you can click down here, and it'll take you to it. If it'll take me to it. And I hope you can see that it's a free PDF, and you can print this off. Sorry, I'm scrolling on the wrong thing. Yeah, here you can scroll. And I like the Australian version because it's much more comprehensive than the American version. It gives you tips on how to shoot pictures and how to do lighting in different lighting situations. And again, this is free through the Ann Arbor Public Library. Argus Company began in Ann Arbor, Michigan, and they have several publications on Argus cameras. And if you want to go to that website again, you'll be able to see the different Argus camera free PDF downloads you can get and print them off. That way you don't have to spend a large amount of money on buying an original one, and there are people who are downloading these and printing them off and selling them as reproductions, but you're still having to pay for it. So I recommend that you don't do that. There's really no reason to be paying for it when you can get it free at this Ann Arbor District Library website for free.